students. Today we are going to start with our third poem, Rain on the Roof by Coates Kenny. Rain on the roof. Rain that falls on the roof of the house. Okay, name से ये तो पता चल गया कि the poem is on rain. Okay, I've tried to make something over here. It's about cloud, rains, pebbles and water. Okay, we'll begin with the poem. Here the poet, before beginning, here the poet describes the beauty of a rain, and that beauty of a rain makes the poet sad. Okay, rain is anyways beautiful, पर यहाँ पर वो ब्यूटी जो है रेन की वो पोएट को कम दिखती है और पोएट इज सैड मोर बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन. ओके, बिकॉज द पोएट हियर मिसेस हिज मदर हु इज नॉट विद हिम ऑन अ रेनी डे. तो वो पूरी रिकलेक्शंस जो है, उनकी मेमोरीज जो है उनके मदर के साथ रेनी नाइट में जो होता था, ही रिकलेक्ट्स ऑल दोज मेमोरीज एंड ही पुट्स अप पेन्स डाउन इन द पोएम. So normally when we talk about rain, we feel very happy. No schools, children playing in water, making paper boats. तो ये सब नॉर्मल अच्छी बातें रेन के पोएम में, हमने आज तक जितनी पोएम पढ़ी उसमें सारे रेन की पोएम बहुत ही अच्छी प्लेजेंट वे, हैप्पी वे में लिखी होती है. दिस इज़ अ पोएम विच इज़ रिटन ऑन द सैडनेस दैट इज़ गिवन टू द पोएट बाय द रेन. वो रेनफॉल की वजह से सैड है, सैड क्यों है उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ पोएम है. विल बिगिन विद द पोएम. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. When the humid shadows hover, humid, wet, hover is to float. When the wet shadows float, that means when the wet clouds float, we come to know that it's going to rain within few minutes or few hours. Over all the starry spheres, over all the starry spheres means over the starry sky. A sky which is full of stars. वो stars के ऊपर से clouds जो आ रहा है, मतलब stars को ढंक रहे हैं clouds, तो हमें पता चल जाता है it's going to rain. And the melancholy darkness, melancholy darkness, sad darkness. Poet is telling that darkness which is covered by the clouds is actually making me sad. Melancholy means sad. Gently weeps in rainy tears. Gently weeps. Weeps means to cry. Rainy tears. He feels that when the rain showers, he feels that rain also is crying, and the poet also starts to cry or feels like crying. Weeps means to cry. What a bliss to press the pillow. Bliss means happiness. The only happiness that I get because of rain is to hold the pillow and to sleep, or else put the pillow, put head on it and go to sleep. मतलब I am not at all happy with the rain, except only one thing that makes me happy in rain is to go to sleep. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed. Chamber means room. वो cottage जहाँ पर वो रहता है, cottage house जहाँ पर वो रहते हैं, उसके अंदर, रूम के अंदर पिलो के ऊपर सर रख के या पिलो को साथ में लेकर सोने के अलावा आई डू नॉट फील हैप्पी एट ऑल व्हेन इट रेन्स. एंड लाई लिसनिंग टू द पैटर ऑफ द सॉफ्ट रेन ओवरहेड. पैटर मीन्स साउंड. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू ले डाउन ऑन द पिलो and listen the shatter, sorry, listen the patter that is made by the rain. वो when rain falls on the roof or when rain falls on the pebbles, or it makes a sound, certain sound it is created. तो मुझे बस एक ही चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, पिलो पकड़ के सो जाना और सोते सोते वो आवाज़ को सुनना. सॉफ्ट रेन ओवरहेड मतलब जो when it drizzles, जब थोड़ा बारिश होता है ना, when it drizzles, तो आवाज़ कम आती है, तो feel that as if it is murmuring, humming like sound. But when it rains heavily, big sound is heard, patter. So he's telling, I just love to listen to the sound that is made by the soft rain. I don't even like the rain raining heavily. मुझे वो भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being starred, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Every tinkle on the shingles. Tinkle is light, and shingles is sound that is made. Every light, मतलब हैवी बारिश होती है तो थंडर और लाइटनिंग भी होता है, ठीक है, थंडर की आवाज़, और जब भी लाइटनिंग की आवाज़ बीच में, मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि full darkness in the room, and in between as if somebody has clicked a photo. So he's telling that every tinkle on the shingles, every light sound, every light ringing sound, every thunder, every light brings in the sound. Okay, वो मतलब बिजली होती है, thunder होता है, तो वो sound. The shingles means even the sound on the pebbles, actually I am listening, has an echo in my heart. All that sound, the thunder, the light that comes in between, the sound of the rain falls on the pebbles, the sound that rain falls on the roof, everything makes echo in the heart, a kind of pain in my heart. And 1,000 dreamy fancies. Fancies means dream. When I hear the sound, 1,000 dreams come in my mind. 1,000 of dreams I can hear. I get so many memories when I hear the sound. Into busy being start. Into my busy life. My entire life is busy, but the only time I get for memories is this time. When it rains heavily, I cannot do anything else, and when I go to sleep, I get thousands of memories and 1,000 recollections. Weave their air threads into woof. Weave is to knit, सीना, सीवन जो आप करते हैं, ठीक है, स्टिच करना. Weave their air threads into woof. Woof means to bark. मतलब that weaving of complete collection of memories I get into my head, and that starts on coming one by one. That बचपन की memory, उसके बाद थोड़े बड़े हुए उसकी memory, तो ऐसे एक एक collection of memories start to come in my mind. Of the rain upon the roof, and when the rain is falling on the roof and the sound that is heard on the roof, actually I feel that all the memories are barking in my, it means I'm making sound in my head. One by one. Okay, first the sound of the flash of light, sound of thunder, the rain that falls on the pebbles and that sound, the rain that falls on the roof, all this is collected in my mind and that makes a sound. The last stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of rain. Now in memory comes my mother. Now all this sound, what memory I am getting? The only memory that I am getting is of my mother, as she used in years agone. Agone means past. जो पिछले साल, जो पीछे चला गया जो साल है, वो मेमोरीज़ मुझे याद आते हैं. और वो मेमोरीज़ में वो क्या करते थे जब ऐसे हैवी बारिश होती थी और इतनी आवाज़ होता था, थंडर लाइटनिंग होते, तो what she used to do, to regard the darling dreamers. She used to come when we used to sleep, she used to come and sit with us, and she used to just keep her hand around the forehead and over the head. And she used to sit and stare, she used to sit and watch the daydreamers. Who are the daydreamers? Sorry, who are the dreamers here? The dreamers are the poet here. Is the poet here? Maybe poet and his brother, who are sleeping when it is raining heavily outside and mother comes to check whether my children are not disturbed by the sound of the rain. So she comes and she makes a check on the dreamers, the children who are sleeping. Ere she left them till the dawn, and she sits there till the dawn. Dawn means morning. She sits there till the morning to have a check on us, whether we are getting good sleep, whether we are sleeping properly, is the rain disturbing us. So that memories I have got. Oh, I feel her fond look on me. Now I am feeling as if she is really sitting and looking at me. Whether I am afraid, whether the sound is irritating me, disturbing me. So I feel that now also she is sitting next to me and looking at me. As I listen to this refrain means as I hear the sound, the same memories are coming. I am feeling as if this is not a dream, this is not a memory, as if my mother is sitting next to me and is looking at me. Which is played upon the shingles. Shingle is the sound which is played by the rain. Actually, rain is also a great musician if we say. तरह तरह की आवाज़ें जब भी वो आते हैं, मतलब ड्रिजल होता है तो सॉफ्ट साउंड, जोर से बारिश आती है तो हेवी साउंड, ठीक है, थंडर, लाइटनिंग, सो रेनबो. तो रेन ऑल्सो इज़ अ म्यूजिशियन. The poet is telling that the rain also is playing shingles, different types of music. By the patter of rain, by the sound of rain, I can hear different music, and all that music which I hear, I could only recollect one memory, and that is of my mother. She is sitting beside me and looking at me. Hope it's a very simple poem. Hope you understood the poem.